Purim, Chanukah Sameach. It's so nice to be here with you celebrating Chanukah, which is the festival of light. As you remember, the Maccabees reclaimed the Second Temple and only had enough oil to light the menorah for one night, but it was a miracle. It ended up lasting 8 nights. So that's why we are celebrating for 8 nights. And we, in honor of Chanukah and this festival of light, we are doing a series of art projects related to light and dark. And this is, I think, the last one of the series, and it is a really good one. I'm really excited. It is an art form that literally, the word for it means drawing with light. Do you know what art form I'm talking about? If you guessed photography, you are right. So photo means light and graph means drawing. So drawing with light. So in an old film camera system, the negative was light sensitive and would actually capture the different qualities of light onto the negative. And so that is what's making your artwork, is the light around you. And we are going to be doing some photography of our own in what we call a long exposure shot. Picasso actually, and a Life magazine photographer, did this in the late 40s and made these beautiful light drawings. The way that you make a light drawing is you make your camera, you set it to a long exposure. So if you think of your camera as having an eye, so the lens that takes in the light is the eye. If you leave the eye open for a long time, so that's the shutter speed. If you make this shutter speed really long, it keeps the eye open longer and taking in light for a longer period of time. And so if you were to have a light in your hand and you were drawing, let's say, a circle, then the image that you would get is of the whole circle that you drew. So it's actually capturing a whole motion into one flattened image, if that makes any sense. So we're going to be doing this, and I can't wait to show you how. So I'm just going to show you a quick demo of exactly what I'm doing in the dark. I chose some Hanukkah images and messages to draw with my light painting, so I invite you to do the same and just draw whatever you want and have fun with it and experiment. I really had a lot of fun experimenting with it, and I hope you do too. You can also even make a GIF of your photos. If you make a few different Chanukiot, let's say, you can string them together in a GIF like I did. There are apps out there that'll do it for you. If you have any questions, especially technical questions, you might feel free to email me at arosen@emmanuelsf.org. Have fun with it. You can make a GIF or send this photo to your loved ones on Hanukkah to wish them a happy Hanukkah. So take care, y'all, and have a really peaceful break. Wishing you peace and love and latkes. Bye.